Hi, we're here in Courtcliffe Park working with our volunteer corps to install a sediment mat in Bronte Creek. This sediment mat will help to narrow the creek here in the park, which will help produce better conditions for fish, cool water temperatures, and improve form and function of the creek. We're using upcycled Christmas trees to do this work, and we hold them in place using twine. So they stay in the water until they can catch the sediment, and then the sediment and the plants will hold it all in place. And so this is what it looks like on install day. And just upstream here, we have a sediment mat that was installed a few years ago that has captured sediment and has grown in with native aquatic vegetation, narrowing the creek.
Yeah, here's your old Christmas tree.